Hello and welcome to a quick overview of the SurePeople mobile application. So once the platform has been activated inside your organization and we activate access to the SurePeople mobile app, anyone can go to the App Store and download the SurePeople mobile app for iOS or Android. Once you access the mobile app, if you've already taken the Prism psychometric on the web, it will immediately with your login transfer all of your data to the mobile app. If you have not, you can also take the Prism right here on the mobile app and it will invite you to do that. You can access your own personal Prism portrait by clicking on yourself up here on the upper right. It'll give you quick facts. It'll give you access to your full Prism. It'll give you access to your Prism story, video content, and all of the detail that you need about the results of your Prism portrait. You can also access it by clicking on this logo here, and it'll give you your profile, your Prism portrait, which we'll go into in a moment, and a unique attribute which is called My Prism Story, which is an audio overview of the results of your Prism. It's like listening to an Audible book about you. And that's very convenient if you need to just listen to it, if you're an auditory learner, if you're driving and you just want to listen to the insights that are the results of the algorithm. Here you can search for people, anybody that's in your entire organization who has taken Prism. It'll pull up a list, or you can type in a name. And then here you have access now to your entire team. So much like it's mirrored on the web application, you can choose someone who's on your team. It'll give you quick facts, and then here it'll give you more elaborate quick facts. So you can meet Lindsay. It'll give you headlines. It won't give any information about development areas, but it'll give you headlines in terms of who she is and how she's wired based on the results of her Prism. You can use the tool here, the one-on-one tool called Sure Advice, which we highlighted earlier. Am I under pressure? If you're under pressure, the advice will change. It gives you here advice on sort of the top typical issues that we deal with. It'll pull from my Prism and Marianne's Prism, and it will give me specific advice based on who I am and who Marianne is related to both of our Prism portraits and this particular situation. It will also give you insights on how we match up side by side. Where do we diverge? Where do we converge? What's the synergy of this combination? And what's the potential friction? The second tool you have access to in the mobile is About You, the Sure Coach, right? So again, you have this pick list of topics, or you can just type in any topic here. It'll also archive past inquiries, and you can see an example here of what a past inquiry looks like. And it's going to give you advice based on specifically the results of your Prism and who you are. So it's not generic advice. And then a unique attribute here, just like my Prism story is unique to the mobile app, so is Sure Meeting. Sure Meeting scours your calendar. If you decide to activate it, it will integrate with your calendar and it will give you meeting tips, and you can set it 10, 15, or 30 minutes before a meeting. What are some headlines based on people that you're going to be meeting with? And then finally, here you have access to the Harvard Business Publishing content that's curated specifically for me, and I can access the article and the information directly on my mobile device straight out of Harvard's library. So I don't have to go searching for it. However, if there's a topic that's not focused on here and that I need to find information about, I can click on filters and it'll give me the full list of Prism practice areas to choose from. I can choose a topic, apply the filter, and it'll start to feed me content based on that topic in my mobile device. So this is the toolkit for in the flow of work. If I want to review my own Prism portrait, I have all of my data accessible to me right here, as well as the ability to access what are the Prism practice areas for each module that are recommended to me. What are some things I may need to work on or consider working on based on the results of my Prism. So that is the mobile application. It's how we pull this data into the flow of people's work.